Quitting smoking isn't easy. A lot of people find the first 72 hours really tough, as your body starts to crave its usual nicotine hit, and your mind wants to smoke when it's used to lighting up, like on my break, or when I'm out with my pals. But with the right support, I got through the first 72.
I'm here to share something important with you. You're not alone. The journey away from nicotine addiction is fraught with anxiety, primarily because of the fear of withdrawal symptoms. But what if I told you that there is a way to reclaim your future, to quit smoking permanently without going through those scary withdrawals? That's exactly what I help smokers like you achieve. With the right support and strategies, you can break free from the grip of smoking and step into a life of health and freedom. So take that first crucial step towards a smoke-free future, and let's walk this path together and breathe the change.